there Facebook family, Sarah Louise here, hope you're well. I'm hoping the internet connection is going to be okay. I know I say the same thing at the beginning of every video, but as long as I can see that it's actually live and connecting, then I know that at least people can see me and hear me okay. So I'm just going to wait until I can actually see some live viewers get on, but as you're watching the rerun, if you're watching from the start, then a big hello to you. And by all means, please pass a comment in the comment box below. Let me know where you're watching from, whether you're watching it live, whether you're watching a rerun, and where you're watching from. It's always nice to know who my audience is and what countries. And it's nice to know if I do one during the day, which countries tend to watch me, and if I do a Facebook Live in the evening, who else tends to watch me. But I know that the rerun gets far more viewers, I fully understand that. But I just want to take this opportunity first of all, just while some people get on, I just want to thank each and every one of you for taking the time to watch my videos, because I love what I do and I'm here to help people. And some people say that marketers are just after people's money, but I disagree. We are after talking to the people that need our help, and those people that need our help, we are able to provide a solution. And the people that don't need our help can simply either just watch and enjoy, or they can continue doing what they do. But our main effort is to connect with the people that actually need our help, and then we're able to change people's lives. And I don't mean that to sound cheesy, but it's the truth. And we know that if we're in this industry and we've taken that step, we know what impact it can have on our finances, on our family, on our freedom, and our future going forward. But the people that are very sceptical, that never take that first step, they never realise just how amazing this actual journey can actually be. And that's why I'm so passionate to tell people to share their story and to get out there, because people will connect with you more than they connect with me for whatever reason, and that's okay. But you need to find more people that connect with you, and then that's how you start to become successful online. So I'm going to give some examples today. My audience is affiliate marketers and network marketers and coaches and consultants and all different types of people. So today I'm going to talk about network marketing and also affiliate marketing, and things that I believe that you should be doing and shouldn't be doing that's going to enable you to succeed online. So this is just from my perspective. I spent thousands of dollars on online training courses that have been produced by 7- and 8-figure earners. So everything that you see on my Facebook Lives, it's not just coming from, in here, just from some random place. I've actually spent a lot of money on training. So when I then give this advice out, it's come from a reputable source. So know that if you take the time to watch my videos, you are actually going to take away quality content that you can then share with your team, and also to educate you going forward in your business as well. So I'm just going to take a quick mouthful of my hot lemon water and then I'll make a start. So online marketing as a whole, whether it's a digital product, whether it's a physical product, affiliate marketing or network marketing, those companies never have to pay to advertise online, in magazines or anywhere. The reason why they don't have to do that is because you are the marketer marketing for them. So if you are making a mistake of plastering your company all over your profile, plastering the product, showing the label, showing the company's name, they don't care, because you are providing free advertising for them. The only person it's crippling is you. And if you don't make any sales, as harsh as this may sound, they don't care, because as fast as you quit, somebody else is starting. So I'm here to help you so you don't quit, because I want you to succeed, whether you are in Forex, crypto, whether you're in personal development, whether you're in beauty, health and wellness. It doesn't actually matter. Travel doesn't matter, because this works for any niche across the board. And I'm here to try and make you see things from what you should be doing and keeping it simple. I'm all about the KISS strategy. Keep it simple, stupid. I don't teach anything complex, and I'm here to help complete beginners, struggling marketers, maybe some people that are crushing it that just want a few little different types of strategies. So thinking about network marketing to start with, and I'm just going to keep this condensed, but network marketing is you will have a physical product. Now, what I'm seeing a lot of you do, which I'm finding is wrong, is you're simply just not using the products. You're buying into a business, For whatever reason, you either thought about the money side of things, maybe somebody got you excited about the business opportunity rather than the products, but to buy into the business, you've got to buy a product. But what I'm seeing marketers doing is they're trying to convince people to buy a product from them when they're not even using it themselves. Now, you'll hear all of this branding going around and attraction marketing going around, and I teach all of that. But the most important part you can do from day one is be a raving fan of the product, because you should be so happy with that product that you are sharing what it's done for you, your transformation. If it's a physical product like health and wellness, we should be able to clearly see on your profile that it's made you feel different, look different, and you should be sharing your story. How can you expect somebody to buy your products from you if you're not a raving fan yourself? And this is what people are doing with makeup, with health and wellness. You've literally just got to take the product every single day, 7 days a week, and talk about what it's doing for you. Then do one post a day on social media to clearly show your journey. That takes 15 minutes in a day for you to produce a post. Then half an hour of your day should be spent doing personal development. Whether you are watching somebody on YouTube, whether you're watching someone like me give you some value, whether you're reading an audio, listening to an audio book, reading an actual book. But whatever you're learning from who you're getting your personal development from, that should be another part of what you're sharing on your social media platform. So if you're saying, well, I don't know what to talk about, I don't know what content to put out there, you've got to be thinking about what are you feeding in here on a daily basis. Again, if you're just trying to sell your products daily without taking them, and you're not spending time on personal development, you're stale, you're not going anywhere, and this is why you're struggling. And you might have made an odd sale because maybe friends and family might have bought it to help you get going, but then after that you're like, well, who's going to buy from me? And the answer is nobody, but only because you're not getting out there enough. So to help you, spend 15 minutes a day on one piece of content on your social media platform, half an hour a day on some form of personal development. The rest of the time, even if you've only got 1 hour a day, the rest of your time in a day is you need to be building relationships and talking to people. When you first start out, I want you to talk to 3 new people a day about your business. I want you to add 5 fresh new people a day to your friends list. And I want you to have conversations with 5 people a day. If you're just posting on social media and going up and down the news feed, liking and commenting on everybody's posts, that is not an income generating activity, and it's also not really a relationship building activity. It's making you connect with someone for the first time, but then you want to be reaching into Messenger and having one-on-one conversations with every single person that's liked and commented on your post. But when you're new and you haven't got many friends built up yet in your friends list, you need to be going out there and forming new friendships and reaching out to people on a one-on-one. How will you ever know if they need your product if you never talk to them on a one-on-one? Liking their posts, commenting on their posts, them doing the same to you, that's not you being a solution to their problem. That's just you making lots and lots of new friends. But that's making Facebook more just a social thing. And that's making it more like a hobby. Now, hobbies cost money, businesses make you money. And while we're not here to think about everybody as money, not dollar signs, but people are actively looking to be led. People join leaders, people join experts, and people join people that have a passion for what they do. If you can actively show that on one post a day, and share that enthusiasm when you talk to people one-on-one in Messenger, they're gonna buy into your energy. They're gonna buy into your transformational story. They're already gonna have wanted to buy the product because they can see what it's done for you. So if you're in health and wellness, I would expect to go down your profile and I would expect to see it all about that you are living, breathing a healthy lifestyle, that you're talking about what your products have done for you, but not mentioning the brand, not mentioning the actual products themselves, but creating curiosity so people reach out to you. But by you branding yourself, Please don't fall into the trap of thinking that branding means a professional photo shoot, a website, a custom funnel, a fancy timeline. No, no, no. That's for more people that I believe are six-figure earners and upwards, or maybe they're in more of a high-ticket program and need to establish themselves as being that go-to person. If you're just a network marketer, you want to appeal to just Mr. and Mrs. Average out there that need your product. The more relatable you make yourself, the more people will buy into you because they think that they can do it too. So if you do one post a day on social media, then think about outside of the product, what can you do to make people see you as that go-to person? So if you're in health and wellness, I want to see you working out, whether you go to the gym or if it's at home. I want to see what you're eating. I want to see your lifestyle on your profile. So when people say and reach out to you and say, wow, you're looking amazing, what is it you're taking, what is it you do? It's not obvious from your profile because you're creating intrigue and curiosity, but enough of a transformation week in, week out by what you look like, talking about how your energy's improved, your confidence, talk about what you're learning in your business, talking about maybe your team that you're building. None of that's seen as pitchy. Now moving on to affiliate marketing, this is where people buy a digital product. People don't use the product. They'll buy a digital tool and then they get an affiliate link to sell it. They don't ever use the tool. They never use a tool in the business. So they're sending links out and spamming all these Facebook groups. They're spamming people in their inbox. They're trying to get people to buy this product, and yet they've never used it themselves. The same goes for people that are buying into like high ticket programs like I do. People say to me, wow, you've got a great profile, loads of engagement, I really like all the content you put out there, where'd you get all your content from? And I say, simple, I bought into a program, I bought a course, I learned the content, and now I'm literally a raving fan of saying to people, look what I've been able to achieve by joining this business, learning how to do it, looking at all of the information there and taking massive action. I'm a true raving fan and a true product to the product. So if you're an affiliate marketer and you're not getting the results that you desire, have you genuinely gone into the back office and learnt the courses? Are you sharing what you're learning daily by each module you're taking, each video you're taking? Every time you've learnt something new, a new skill, have you shared that on your social media? Because people want to see, again, your transformation. So whether it's a physical product like health and wellness or a digital product like affiliate marketing, people are going to buy into you because they can see what you're learning and what you're doing. Then when you talk about how your business has enabled you to progress, whether it's financial freedom, location freedom, maybe be able to leave your job. Some people don't want to leave the job, they just want an extra $1,000 a month, $2,000 a month for a bit of 1 hour a day work. Not everybody wants to leave the job to become an online marketer, but you've got to show your passion about why you do what you do. But on your profile now, I want you to go back in, just a last little bit to finish off. I want you to go down your profile now and think to yourself, would you look at you and think, yeah, I want to reach out to this person. I want to find out what their products are. I want to find out what their business opportunity is. You see, if you are a transformational story in yourself on your social media platform with the products that you bought into, the business opportunity sells itself. Because when people realise if they buy the products from you to get the same desired result as what you've had, and then they realise that by sharing that with other people, they can earn this, they are completely sold on the whole idea because they're leading with feelings in here, in the heart, that fire in the belly, and then here is the logic part. People buy on emotion and they follow up with logic. People never have an issue spending this if they can see the value in what they're going to get for the money. So if you're making the mistake of trying to pitch your product to people, they're never going to connect in here and here with it. But if you're clearly showing what it's done for you and you lead with that passion and energy and they can clearly see that you show up every single day, 7 days a week for what you do, people can't help but notice you. Then they reach out to you to say, what is it that you do? but they're already sold on you, on your profile, because they're thinking, I want to do just what she does, I want to do just what he does. And if it's a physical product, so they can see a physical change in you, they're going to think, well, I want to look like her, I want to look like him. If it's a digital product like me, they're going to think, well, I want to learn those skills, I want to do what she does, I want to do what he does. But just one last little part I just wanted to say is, if you love what I do and you appreciate what I do, don't fall into the trap of believing that you can't do what I do. I'm all over my social media platform with videos, and I'm quite a bold marketer, as in I've got, you know, I'm a woman, but I've got a pair of balls. Not actual physically, but you know, I've got a voice, and I'm not afraid to say what I think. And you don't have to be like that to be successful. You know, I'm very, very shy and very introvert in real life, but for you to get out there and be seen amongst the crowds, you've really got to step into a completely different person. But social media enables you to do that. You can grow into your own persona, but you don't have to do Facebook Lives to be a successful marketer. You can have your own blog, you can do email marketing, you can have your own website. So just don't fall into the trap of seeing people like me do what I do. I choose this method as mass exposure. I can do a 15-minute Facebook Live, post it onto my social media platform, and it can be seen by thousands of people worldwide. So for me, to do something that's very takes up a small amount of time to give me time freedom that I've desperately wanted, for me it works to do Facebook Lives, because I'm not techie at all. I'm not a techie person. So for me, this is the easy option. But if you're much more of a quieter marketer, or you want to be, and maybe you enjoy like the techie side of things, you can absolutely do what we do, but do it through email marketing, do it through a blog or a website. So just let that just to finish off that last little part, don't think that you've got to be all over Facebook to be a successful marketer and think, well, I couldn't do those videos, I couldn't talk about what she talks about. You don't need to. That's my strategy of how I want to market myself. And each and every one of us has to do what we feel is right for ourselves and our brand and our audience. So you've got to think about, what do you want to do? But you've got to do what you enjoy. It's like, I don't want to be doing loads of complex techie things daily. I'm not into custom funnels and all this fancy email marketing. I like to be on social media. That's what I like to do. But you've got to think, in your beauty business, health and wellness, your travel business, whatever it is that you do, what do you really want to do in the time that you've got daily? And the last little tip I want to say is, if you can only give it 1 hour a day, then do it 7 days a week. If you can only give it 2 hours a day, do it, but 7 days a week. You've got to work on your business every single day. Even on a Saturday and a Sunday, just give it half an hour if you can, but do something, whether it's personal development, whether it's just building up some more relationships on social media, whether it's just posting one piece of content that takes you 15 minutes. If you do this every single day, 90 days in a row, you will completely change your business. And I want you today, if you are struggling as a marketer, I want you today to take this as some massive inspiration, and I want you to relaunch your business today. Get out there and do a Facebook Live with your excitement about what your business has done for you so far, and share your journey and let people buy into your whole transformation of what it's done for you. And I can promise you, if you do this and you're building up your friends list daily, and you're having conversations with people daily, you're presenting your business to at least 3 people daily, you cannot fail, I promise you. So that's it. Thanks everybody for watching. I do appreciate it. I can see there's quite a lot of people that have got onto this. So because I haven't pitched a product, feel free to share it with your team if you want to. You know, I'm always here to try and give people advice, and I hope I haven't said anything to offend anybody in any shape or form. I'm not that kind of person. I'm here coming from a genuine place. And you know, I love all of these messages coming through in my messenger of people saying, you know, thanks for your videos, it's really helped me in my business. That's why I do it. The commissions pay the bills, but the biggest part of my reasons for doing this is the success stories and the thank yous and the grateful messages. Because then I realise that what I'm doing is for a reason. It gives you a great sense of satisfaction, and it makes you feel like you've actually got a purpose. So you can achieve that too in your business, but only if you're impacting people by sharing exactly what it is that you do. That's it. Have a great evening. Take care. Bye.